What should be done when the tire is leaking? No need to worry. We have prepared a quick tire patch-up kit under the trunk cover plate, including an inflator and tire sealant tank, sufficient for one tire repair. Note: in case of a puncture greater than 6 mm in diameter, severe tread damage, damage to sidewall, tire tear, or detached layer from hub, please call roadside assistance. How should it be handled? Firstly, stop the vehicle in a safe place, switch on hazard warning lights, and place a warning triangle. Locate the tire leak, check if the tire is seriously damaged, and determine if roadside assistance is necessary. Connect tire cement tank with the inflation pump connector and fix it tight there. Remove tire valve dust cap and connect the tire sealant tank's hose with tire valve. Insert the power plug of inflator to onboard 12-volt power outlet. When it is all set, switch on the inflator and inflate the tire to a recommended tire pressure. The point to note now is, when the inflator has been working for 10 minutes, if tire pressure is lower than 1.3 bar, it is necessary to drive the vehicle slowly and roll the tire for approx 5 rotations. This ensures even distribution of the sealant inside the tire. And then stop the vehicle and inflate the tire again. If tire pressure remains lower than 1.3 bar, it suggests a serious tire damage and roadside assistance is required. If the tire is inflated too much by accident, simply keep the pressure relief valve pressed while observing the pressure gauge until the tire pressure drops to a recommended value. Afterwards, please do not forget to put on the tire valve dust cap. When the tire is temporarily repaired, please place the speed limit sticker from the cement tank on the steering wheel. For the sake of your safety, please do not accelerate abruptly or brake hard, and it is recommended to drive the vehicle at 25 to 30 km per hour for minimum 10 minutes. Stop the vehicle in a safe place and check the tire once again. Once the tire pressure becomes stable after driving a certain distance, the tire has been successfully repaired now. Please inflate it again till the recommended tire pressure. Tire repair kit is a temporary solution for tire repair. When a tire has been repaired with quick tire patch-up kit, please drive carefully and avoid sharp turns and emergency braking. When tire sealant is applied, please visit user center as soon as possible for professional tire repair or replacement of the damaged tire.